This video is about getting rid of fake human verification alerts related to the site RakudeFit.com. RakudeFit.com. This is a malicious site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make people click on allow, supposedly to help users prove that they are humans and not robots. However, to click on allow is certainly a serious mistake, and this may hijack the browser. To fix your browser and to remove these ads, you need to access the menu, go to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. And pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Remove these malicious sites if you find it on the list. Also, to be convinced that your computer is free of any other threats, we do recommend that you investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and begin researching your system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.